In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very easily and quickly write a cold email for your business or just general outreach using the Booksheet.com AI prompt. Inside your Booksheet.com portal area, go ahead and select cold email, and the first thing you want to do is describe your product. So I'm going to say I have a course all about automation, a video course all about automating your business tasks, and the offer is 50% off for the first 10 people who buy today. And now do generate result. The template will give you the subject line. It will then add placeholders to the actual text, and it will focus on these two criteria here, and then also the placeholder to finish it off. As you can see, it shows the offer, and then it just focuses on all the benefits and creating a compelling argument as to why the person should invest in this particular product. Let me know your thoughts by heading over to your Booksheet.com portal and giving this template a try.